How to fix Swann Security App not working. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's quick video, I'll teach you guys how you can fix Swann Security App not working. So before we begin, if you are new to our channel, just head down below and hit the subscribe button so you can come back again and watch more tutorial videos. Now let's begin. So to fix the Swann app not working, what you'll need to do is first check if the app is opening, if it is a network issue or not. So just open it up and then log in into your account. You can simply check for your Wi-Fi connection, make sure you're connected to a strong Wi-Fi, and that you have internet. After all that, you can head back. You can also try to use your mobile data as well. If both of those don't work, you can always head over to settings and head over to iPhone storage. To come to iPhone storage, first go to your general from your initial settings page, then go to your iPhone storage, and on your iPhone storage, search for the app that you want to fix. So in this case, that's Swann Security. There we go. Tap on offload app and then reinstall the app. So after doing that, your problem will get fixed. And that's basically the fix for it. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned for more and bye-bye.